I am Jenny Krystofiak. I am the Chief of Staff for the North America Infrastructure Solutions Group. If I can remove roadblocks, if I can streamline processes, if I can put out fires, that's my goal, because ultimately it's about helping to drive the ISG strategy. I started off as a technical recruiter. A lot of my early career, even as I moved on, was just asking a ton of questions and learning from my leaders and taking the time to be curious. I'm a big proponent of really wanting to learn information, not only for myself, but then it's like, oh, cool, I know how to do this now. How do I then share it with other people to help them then be successful in their next journey, in their next role? Getting to see employees get promoted, that just warms my heart. I am the oldest of 4 girls. What I think is so special about that is that, my dad would bring us along and say, hey, I've got to go fix this thing. You need to come and watch and learn how to do this. If he's changing the oil or fixing something on the car, it's something that I've been able to carry with me even now into adulthood.
We're here at our Buffalo Bills bar that I begrudgingly made with my husband. Not begrudgingly made, it's the fact that it's a Bills bar. See, I was born and raised in South Florida, so I'm a Miami Dolphins fan. So yeah, that doesn't go well for us. We spend so much time in front of our computers, in front of digital devices, that I like to get out and just use my hands. Sometimes if I've got a break in between calls, I'll come out and pull some weeds or do some of this. And can't tell you how many times I've thought through analogies that apply to gardening.
I come from a place of wanting to help educate, nurture, and develop individuals to help them then grow into what they can do. These newer sprouts, these newer employees, right, that are coming up in their career, working here at Lenovo, it's like it gives you so many opportunities. There's so many elements of it that you can kind of follow a path down, that it doesn't just have to be a programmer or a developer. Being able to share my experiences to help them set themselves up for success is just something that I just get such satisfaction from.
Lenovo.